Today we're gonna be playing whoever can hit that wood 3 times. So like cast the roulette. I don't know.
Finally fishing.
Yeah. He missed. Okay, my turn now. Oh my, horrendous. Ooh, close? Yeah, it was close. You might be cooked. Okay, my turn. Tough combo. Oh my, horrendous.
It kind of buns.
Okay, your turn. Aye, there's one for Jason. Oh my god, I need to go.
Keep casting over there.
I'm gonna fall.
Well, it's because you're new. It's because you're new with the big caster. It's okay.
Okay, go again. Oh my god. Oh.
Okay. You landed in the water over there. Don't ask her we still have ice.
Yeah.
Canada. Canada.
Please don't win. Haha. I'm gonna push you off the bridge.
Okay.
Uh-oh. Oh no. After finally like 10 years of getting the knot out that this smart boy made.
That's him.
My turn. Oh my god, of course, I'm back to my crap cast. Okay, go. I'm losing right here and now. Yep. Ooh. Oh my god, I got backlash, I think.
I hit it. It hit.
First to 5.
Guys, we're gonna shut him out 3-0.
Okay, it's first to 5.
It's first to 5 now, only because I'm beating him.
Okay, why? Off camera I can always hit the wood, and then on camera I can't. Like, see?
Let me try your bait caster. Let me try your bait caster for more. I wasn't recording at all. But he missed. Wait.
No, I didn't.
Technically, I shut him out, or shut out, whatever it's called. 3-0, and then we went to first to 5, so now 3-1.
Uh-oh, I got backlash. Oh, my turn again. Oh my god! That never happened.
My turn.
I hate this game.